Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In this video, I have discussed important 50 human blood MCQs. These MCQs are helpful for all competitive exam preparation. So, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, without wasting time, let's get started. What is the normal pH of human blood? Correct answer is option C, 7.35 to 7.45. What is the lifespan of red blood cells? Correct answer is option B, 120 days. Which protein is responsible for the red color of blood? Correct answer is option A, hemoglobin. Which type of blood cell is involved in clotting? Correct answer is option C, platelets. What is the universal blood donor type? Correct answer is option D, blood group O. Which white blood cell is the most abundant in human blood? Correct answer is option B, neutrophils. What percentage of blood is plasma? Correct answer is option B, 55%. Which organ is primarily responsible for producing red blood cells? Correct answer is option C, bone marrow. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? Correct answer is option D, blood group AB. Which component of blood fights infections? Correct answer is option B, white blood cells. What is the average blood volume in an adult human? Correct answer is option B, 5 to 6 liters. What mineral is essential for hemoglobin formation? Correct answer is option B, iron. Which blood group has no antigens? Correct answer is option D, blood group O. What is the primary function of platelets? Correct answer is option C, blood clotting. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Correct answer is option C, vitamin K. What type of blood vessel carries oxygenated blood away from the heart? Correct answer is option C, arteries. What is the liquid portion of blood called? Correct answer is option A, plasma. What is the primary waste product carried by the blood? Correct answer is option B, carbon dioxide. What is erythropoiesis? Correct answer is option C, formation of red blood cells. What is the function of plasma proteins? Correct answer is option B, aid in blood clotting and immunity. Which blood group has both A and B antigens? Correct answer is option C, blood group AB. What condition is caused by low hemoglobin levels? Correct answer is option B, anemia. What is the main function of red blood cells? Correct answer is option B, transport oxygen. Which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs? Correct answer is option B, pulmonary artery. What does Rh positive mean? Correct answer is option A, presence of Rh antigen. Which condition involves excessive white blood cell production? Correct answer is option A, leukemia. What is the role of lymphocytes in blood? Correct answer is option B, immune defense. What is the process of stopping blood flow is called? Correct answer is option A, hemostasis. Which organ stores excess red blood cells? Correct answer is option B, spleen. What is the average number of red blood cells in a microliter of blood? Correct answer is option B, 4 to 6 million. Which plasma protein is responsible for maintaining osmotic pressure? Correct answer is option B, albumin. What is the function of eosinophils? Correct answer is option B, fight parasitic infections and allergies. What causes sickle cell anemia? Correct answer is option B, abnormal hemoglobin. What is the role of fibrinogen in the blood? Correct answer is option B, blood clotting. What is the approximate percentage of white blood cells in the total blood volume? Correct answer is option A, 1%. What is the normal range of white blood cells in the human blood? Correct answer is option B. What is the main function of lymph in the human body? Correct answer is option B, immune response. What is hemophilia? Correct answer is option B, a genetic disorder where blood does not clot properly. What is the primary gas transported by red blood cells? Correct answer is option C, oxygen. Which ion plays a key role in blood clotting? Correct answer is option C, calcium. Which organ removes old and damaged red blood cells? Correct answer is option B, spleen. What is the scientific name for white blood cells? Correct answer is option B, leukocytes. What does the term hematocrit refer to? Correct answer is option A, percentage of red blood cells in blood. Which blood disorder is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B12? Correct answer is option A, pernicious anemia. What is the role of basophils in the blood? Correct answer is option B, release histamine during allergic reactions. What is the lifespan of white blood cells? Correct answer is option A few hours to a few days. What is the main component of plasma? Correct answer is option C, water. Which hormone regulates red blood cell production? Correct answer is option B, erythropoietin. What is the disease caused by abnormal and excessive production of white blood cells? Correct answer is option B, leukemia.